Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company and SEO expert. So today I am here with a new case study regarding GMC Google Merchant Center account suspended for policy violation. Now, your GMC can be suspended for misrepresentation, website needs improvement, pharmaceutical issues, health issues. There are so many reasons for which your GMC Google Merchant Center can be suspended. So today I'm here with a new case study regarding the policy violation account, and yeah, so let's get started on this. So okay, this was an error, and I'm going to show you some pictures as well, so you guys have an idea. Then we can move on and discuss more on this. Okay, so okay, you can see the GMC name. Now they are saying that your account is suspended for policy violation. This was an original scenario when the client came to us. The Google Ads account was not suspended. If people are asking about this, okay, then we saw this as well, that you can see that they have 226 products, and all the products were in the limited state, and none of them was in approved state. So which is the reason why they opted to work with us. Although when they planned to work us with us, it took them several days and several decisions before finally started working with us. So when they signed to us, we being a Google partner and a Shopify partner, we asked for the access on the GMC Google Merchant Center account and the Shopify access for the complete website. So we did. We have a 170 plus step checklist audit. 170 plus steps. Okay, if you ask me, how did we figure it out? We have been working with Google Ads disapprovals, we have been working with Google Ads suspensions, and we have been working with GMC Google Merchant Center suspensions. In every case is a new learning for us, and this is how we came to we developed 170 plus steps. Again, it's a team effort. I'm not the individual person performing, but it's a team who is working with me day and night to make sure that we get the accounts restored as soon as possible. So with 170 plus steps, it is a huge thing. So now I'm going to show you our first audit. So this was the first audit done by my team, and you can see that the first thing was we have several checklists. When we are going to audit, we check for the robots.txt file, we check for the plagiarism, broken links, we check for the products images, we check for the copied content, we check for the replica products. Because 170 steps is a huge checklist to work around, so it also takes time and patience by the customer, and again by us as well. So we find some placeholders, and that the placeholders are not being approved by GMCs and cause issues while running. Then we also look for a page speed. We figured out that the page speed can also be improved, and you know we also discussed about some logos. That Google is very concerned. Even if you are having a logo and you do not have that payment processor while in the checkout procedure, again your account will be disapproved. If you are giving discount on second or third item, and while doing a checkout, if you add the second or third item, and if you do not see that discount which you have claimed on your website, again your account is going to be disapproved. Google is very concerned regarding the disapproval. So which is why we were very cautious, we were very concerned regarding this. And then with the content, we suggested some rephrasing strategies. We also discussed some about testimonials, and then we also discussed about some pages. Pages need to be updated with the unique content, especially exclusively. Although all our pages need to have unique content, but what people do is they just copy paste refund policy, privacy policy, contact us, shipping policy, which also causes an issue. And that in case if you are having your order page on your website, and if it cannot track your order, then again your account can go in trouble. We also suggested them some new pages as well, and product guarantee, your return page as well. So while in this scenario we were discussing with the client on what could be the issues why your account is suspended, they said that they were running it for 3 years, and they weren't having any issue. And they also told us that they were even working with a lame area address, not a specific address. And they said that we have added a specific address now, and now why our account is still suspended. Also, we added the exact Google Map real address, and we were working 3 years without a proper address, and we just put a lame address and it was working fine. So I told them that, address can be a factor as well, but it's not the only GMC factor which is causing your suspension. So we figured out. We also discussed, like they told that they do not have a breaker or motor store. They have an online portal and do not entertain any in-person sales even at our mentioned warehouse from the time we have been in this business. They also discussed about some return policy changes, and they said that the 3 days return with the original packaging and unused product with a valid reason for defective products need to be notified within 20 12 to 48 hours. Now, the market is different, every industry, every niche is different, so this policy is different for them. They said that even in our local area Amazon doesn't offer such claims which we were suggesting them. And they also said that also if needed, we might ask customers for unboxing video to avoid fraud, since so many customers have returned old products or sending products or different products. So we also discussed those, and with a dedicated channel on Google support, we started discussing this, and we wanted to get it up and running as soon as possible because our client is on waiting list. So now I'm going to show you the account, so you can see that the account is no more suspended, and 226 right now 241 products are being approved, and it's a moment of achievement, that only the one product is limited and no, one is not approved, and that is due to pharmaceutical issues. If you look around, the product has some pharmaceutical certificates approval required. Otherwise the GMC is now fine. You can see that product do not need any specific attention. If I show you all products, you can see they are running approved, major products are running approved, everything is almost fine. I can even do a refresh in front of you guys to see. Okay, you can see that even that product have been sorted. So everything is fine now. And now this is another successful case study regarding Google Merchant Center suspension for policy violation. Now, in case if you need Google Merchant Center account restoration help, Google Ads account restoration, Google Ads disapproval, if you need Google Ads management, SEO management, Facebook Ads management, or any other service related to digital marketing, including even landing pages, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on the link in the description to get started working with us. So, and lastly, in case if you have still any questions left, you are then welcome to write in the comments of this video, and make sure to like and share this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.